How nice that you are here. This moment here is all yours to rest, to let your body relax and recharge. Tension, restlessness, and excessive stimuli can cause stress in the body, physical complaints, and behavioral problems. This recording will help and guide you in letting go of tensions and overstimulation. I will guide you through images and the memory of certain smells. Let it happen. Allow it to happen. You will notice that you will become calmer and going deeper and deeper into relaxation, allowing your body, mind, and soul to fully enjoy the healing energies. For me, one of the nicest things in life is to see that an animal feels good and happy. I am very much looking forward to taking this journey with you. Let's start. The image of a tree is a magical image. There is so much hidden in a tree that we cannot see at all. The power of the earth that nourishes the tree, and the high connection with the universe that connects the tree to its source. You can place yourself completely in this tree, with your paws deeply rooted in the earth, in a very nice, comfortable way. You stand proud and powerful, high connected to the branches and far above. With each breath, you become more and more consciously connected to your divine blueprint, the field from which you were created, and which contains the exact healing frequencies for any part that no longer feels balanced in your body or mind. Feel how you begin to breathe a little deeper, how you feel connected to the tree and to the healing, powerful energy of your divine blueprint. You can go to sleep and completely surrender to this recording. And you can also choose to walk around, play, or sit. You carry the highest wisdom in you, and you can let your intuition guide you completely. Maybe you can already smell the scents of the tree, the plants, the flowers, the scents of other animals, and the tracks of so many who have gone before you on this path. Whatever you smell, feel, see, or hear, just breathe through, deep within yourself, connected to the tree. It can sometimes be the case that when you start to feel more relaxation, tension also comes to the surface, because there is no room for this anymore. This is completely fine as it is, because this too will disappear again. Please trust. Everything that comes up now is very good. It can be released. You don't need it anymore. how nice it is to let go and leave your luggage behind. Whether you are already old, very young, or in between, whether you're feeling sick, very fit, or overactive, you're in the right place at the right time, exactly where you are allowed to be. With each breath, you relax more and more, and your light beings get even more space to work for you. Your energy field, the field around you, is being lovingly cleansed. Sometimes something might attach to it when you accidentally or consciously take over something from someone else, or something just sticks to you that you can't get rid of for a while. You are taken care of, always, and right now the cleansing is taking place at a high level. Very well. Just breathe in and out. Relax. You can now step out of the tree in nature where you are and find a nice place where you want to be. Maybe you want to be in or near the water, on the grass, on the beach, or in the mountains. Let yourself be guided to get where you want to be. Your nose, in combination with your intuition, will bring you to exactly the right place. Just feel the peace that comes all over you. A magical beam of light is now falling over you from high in the universe. This ray of light goes in through your crown and also around you. The light slowly descends like a waterfall of light and love. You are safe, loved, and protected at all times. Feel this. The gratitude for your being and your presence here on earth is great. The love you give and radiate is infinite and cannot be described in words. We thank you for this now. It is time to focus on yourself. Be even more present with yourself and pay attention to yourself and your body. The connection between you and the people and animals around you becomes purer, clearer, and even more loving. You understand each other, you see each other, and you lift each other up in energy. When you are physically bothered by something, you will be able to make this clear faster and faster, because the connection between the two of you is so pure and loving. Everything happens at just the right time, and you feel safe, protected, and loved. When there is something in your body right now that doesn't feel balanced, we now ask for the highest love and the light to support you in this process. May the right thing happen for you. When you feel restless, or you are still very overstimulated, or you feel irritated, we now ask for clear insights for the people around you, and to slowly let go of the feelings and energies that you no longer need. Just the right pace for you, so it feels effortless and safe. You are a special being of light, and you are being seen in your magnificence. Thank you for being here. You can now calmly return to the here and now, to the space where you are now, inside or outside. Relax further and know that you can always come back here, in the beautiful forest where you can let go and recharge. Each deep breath will remind your body to release unwanted feelings and energies. It goes naturally, ever deeper, until you feel your own natural balance again.